Imagine a creature so tough it can survive boiling water, freezing temperatures, crushing pressures, and even the vacuum of space. Meet the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. These microscopic animals have a secret weapon, cryptobiosis. When faced with extreme conditions, tardigrades dry out almost completely, curling into a ball called a ton. In this state, their metabolism drops to near zero, allowing them to endure for decades without food or water. When conditions improve, they rehydrate and come back to life, as if nothing happened.